don't know much about Fruity Loops, but here it is. This is the 3X oscillator generator deal thingy up in here, and I guess it's got 3 oscillators. Turn the volume down on these two. I'm not really sure how this works. Got it hooked up. I've set a short arc distance there because that's the only way I can really think of to regulate the volume other than drop the voltage down a whole lot. But I kind of got it set a certain way. It's just too loud. A, the phone is going to struggle to pick it up, and B, it's just too dang loud. Works. But it's good to know that this thing can get insanely louder, especially as far as like tweeter frequencies. When I start to get too low like that, that's when this little module comes into play and the max limit on the pulse widths there, which I might be able to get around by just coming straight out the computer. The signal's right. I just kind of threw together a couple melodies that are just one note at a time, short loops. So here's one. My computer sends out a little flicker of a noise on notes, so you hear that little aftershock. Not real sure what's causing that quite yet, but let's see. Here's another one. It's a lot louder than I remember it. I'm not sure what's going on with that. So yeah, I'm not going to keep playing that over and over, but you know, it takes a while to make a little melody. That's just like real basic, but this is pretty cool. Like, I guess Fruity Loops does seem like a good way to do this, rather than trying to like use some kind of MIDI editor. I don't know. I guess there's lots of different things you can do with it, but I ended up picking what I thought would be good notes, and they're clearly too high. So something around this region is that'd probably sound the best. Do a little sweep. So it seems to me like the only drawback with this setup is this modulator that's making those real low duty pulses just not sound like they're supposed to, because the on time isn't large enough. It needs to be real thick pulses for those lower frequencies, or you'd have to have a really short arc distance to make up for it. The problem with that is when it starts outputting the way higher frequencies, then you're going to deal with a extremely fatter arc than necessary. So, you know, as far as a response, it's going to sound like garbage. Anyway, there's a lot of variables, but yeah, Fruity Loops, pretty cool.